Hey guys, welcome to my first fall/Halloween 2020 DIY. I am so excited about this one. It turned out so stinking cute. It's so easy and it cost me nothing to make, and for most people this will only cost around $1 because we're just using basic 101 crafting supplies that you already have on hand, like white paint, Mod Podge, a couple markers, scissors, a ruler, that kind of a thing. The only thing that you will most likely have to go out and get is this sign from Dollar Tree. This one is from last year though. I had it on hand, so like I said, this project was free for me to do. But it's just $1 at Dollar Tree, and this will be out in a couple weeks. I saw it on the website, so I know it's coming out again. And then I printed off some letters. I will have the font, the size, and the letters that you need down below, but I am gonna try to link a document that you can print from if I can figure out how to do that to make it easy on you. And then scissors and a ruler as well, if I didn't already say. So the first step is just to cut out your letters. Sit down, put on your favorite TV show and cut these out. It will take you like 10 minutes or so. And it's okay if a little white is showing on the edges. You will not notice that at all once we get started on this project. So I'm going to try to link this candy corn clip art down below, but I seriously just Googled candy corn clip art and this came up. And the next step is just to color it in with your colors of choice, but I chose yellow and orange because that's traditionally what candy corn looks like. So now we are going to take this sign, and the front of it is so cute that I would not even dream of covering that up. We're gonna work on the back of this, and my sign does have a crack in it, but I don't care. I feel like it just kind of adds to the vintage, old-fashioned look of it. And I'm just taking my white paint and a sponge paintbrush and painting over the back side. I did about 2 to 3 coats because I did just leave those stickers on. They're pretty hard to get off. And I, between 2 to 3 coats, covered them completely so you couldn't even notice that they were still on there. If you want your sign to look like a plank sign or like shiplap, you can go ahead and just draw on some lines with a black Sharpie and a ruler, or you can use black paint and a paintbrush. It's really up to you. You don't even have to do this step if you don't want. Now below my sign, I'm going to lay all my letters out so I know I have the spacing correct. And then when we start to put our Mod Podge down, we can just move our letters directly above onto the sign. And unfortunately my camera stopped filming, so I can't really show you most of the Mod Podging process, but I think you guys know how to do that. It's super easy. Just lay a thin layer of Mod Podge down with your sponge brush. Take your paper number or letter and lay it flat on there. If it's not perfectly flat, you can just smooth it out with your finger. And once you have all of your letters laid out, you can go over top of them again with the Mod Podge just to kind of seal them on there. I'm using matte Mod Podge, by the way, so that it doesn't look shiny on my sign. And when you get to your candy corn, just do a very, very light layer, because if you soak it too much, the marker will bleed and kind of run. So you want to be very sparse with your Mod Podge when you get to this point. I thought I would be done at this point, but once the Mod Podge dried, I thought that this looked like it still needed something. So I went into my garage and found this wire brush, and I just kind of roughed up the edges and some different spots around the sign to give it a weathered, old, vintage look. I even roughed up the letters too, you guys, so that it had more of an authentic feel, but feel free to skip this step if it's not really your style. So that is all it takes to create this adorable little sign, you guys. I hope that you love it as much as I do. If you recreate this, feel free to tag me on Instagram. I will put my Instagram across the screen. I would love to share your photo on my social media, so make sure you tag me. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more of these DIY videos and decorating videos to come, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye now.